So this code is going to be for P0442 Purge valve for 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.8. I went with the GM parts. I believe this was about $40 on eBay. You can get them for about $18 aftermarket, but go with the original. It's not that much more expensive. So it's gonna sit like this the other way. And I have this little bracket here with a screwdriver. You're gonna push that bracket away where it slides down, and in order for this to lift up, disconnect this hose and the other hose that goes in the back, and they basically later just click on and they'll lock in place. Slide this down on that metal bracket, you're all set. Pretty easy fix. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and the purge valve is going to be right down here. This is kind of in a way, this harness, you can either move it aside, disconnect some stuff, disconnect the alternator wire, move it out of the way. And we have two tubes, one going this way, connects inside, and one right there connects to this side. And I'll show you how to remove those clips and take the hose off of it. We'll install the new one and go from there. And disconnect the alternator wire. Take this, move it to the side. There you go. You can take this bracket off if you want, but you don't need to remove it. Then I'll disconnect this back here. There's a connector, and then I'm gonna push this down and then pull it off. You can see it. Here we go. Push down, and pull it off there. And for this one, I'll show you. Here. So this slides down. The other one, the other hose where the connector is, you're gonna push the clip down, and then it'll slide off. For the other end, if you see this clip right here, yeah, feel it with your finger, and you're gonna move it back to disconnect. Same thing on this side. So you're gonna remove this hose together. You're gonna pull that lever back, and it slides right off. So same thing, putting it back on. I'm gonna pull this back, and it slides down and locks in place. I'm gonna push down a little bit, pull this back, comes off. Don't break this clip. This little thing would be about $40. Compared to the new one, looks exactly the same. this back on. On the back piece of hose, go on, click, okay, I'm gonna connect our alternator. Put this piece back here. And we are done. Complete.